Shashwat, why are you making those faces? Huh, Shashwat? What, Sharanya? Oh, so I'm making noise while writing on the board? And that's irritating. Wow, I don't understand, class. What problem do you have with me? Huh? Isn't that normal? Every teacher does this, right? But no, you all have to target me only. Oh, I know. PT period के कुछ 10 minutes मैं ले लेती हूँ. And for whom, by the way? For you all. But you know what? All these distraction tactics of yours will not work on me, at least. Okay, so today's topic is